Hello, I'm Douglas Pañares of Filipino Homes. Memories to remember forever at Palawan Adult Lovers Vacation Hideaway Beach Resort Villas. 9 Romantic Moments. Part 5 of Palawan Beach Resort for sale. After 2 years of C-19 pandemic, tourists are coming again to Palawan. So profit from these 10 hideaway villas of Palawan Adult Lovers Vacation Hideaway Beach Resort Villas. As for Part 1, 4 Stargazing Garden Villas, Part 2, 5 villas with pool, and Part 3, the only presidential suite. As also for the Part 4, the amenities. Contact me, Douglas Pañares, phone 63915-842-6920, email dogpanares@gmail.com. Thank you and God bless.